Have you ever wondered why you hate the alarm sound? You sleep peacefully, and suddenly the alarm hits. You wake up angry, annoyed, and ready to throw your phone. It's not that you hate mornings. It's that your alarm forces your brain from calm to emergency mode in 1 second. Your heart races, stress hormones spike, and your brain reacts like something dangerous is happening, even though you're just in bed. And when you hit snooze, you restart a sleep cycle just to be jolted awake again. That's why you feel more tired, more irritated, and already done with the day before it even begins. If you want to know the hidden psychology behind why alarms make you angry and how to fix your mornings, watch the full video.